Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako nga po pala si Angel Jan Agner at welcome po sa aking 365 Daily Devotion ni Pastor Russell Ocampo, Seminary Edition. At ngayong araw po ay April 23, 2025 at ang topic po natin ngayong araw ay for knowledge. Paano magmahal ng walang kapalit? And yung scripture po natin ngayong araw ay Romans chapter 8 verse 23 to verse 29 to 30. Sabi po dito, for those God foreknew, He also predestined to be conformed to the image of His Son, that He might be the firstborn among many brothers and sisters. And those He predestined, He also called. Those He called, He also justified. Those He justified, and He also glorified. And yung concept natin is yung for knowledge is in scripture. For knowledge is not God knowing facts about people in advantage. It's relational and personal. God setting His love upon certain individual before creation, choosing them for salvation. This truth is closely connected to the doctrine of election. It reminds us that our salvation is not random or earned, but rooted in God's internal love and sovereign grace. He knew us intimately and lovingly even before we're born. And yung teaching number 1 po natin is God knowledge is just for knowing but also for loving. Sabi naman po dito na yung knowledge na binibigay sa atin ng ating Panginoong Diyos is hindi lang siya for knowing, para makilala or para malaman natin, but it is a for loving, na pagbibigay ng love na sa atin ng ating Panginoong Diyos. And teaching number 2, God's for loving is basis of ordo solutius. Foreknew, predestined, called, justified, glorified. Sabi naman po dito na yung for loving na binibigay sa atin ng Panginoon, ang basis po nito of the, ang tawag po sa kanya is ordo solustis, na foreknew, pagkakakilala, predestined, called, and justified, and glorified. And teaching number 3, God covenant relationship with us began from the internal heart of God. Sabi naman po dito na yung relationship natin, yung covenant relationship natin with our God is nag-uumpisa ito sa magkaroon natin ng internal heart ng ating Panginoong Diyos. And application number 1, trust God unbreakable chain of redemption. Sabi naman po dito na pagkatiwalaan natin ng ating Panginoong Diyos na ma-unbreakable natin, hindi mabasag yung chain ng redemption natin. And application number 2, rest in God's unconditional love for us. Sabi naman po dito na magpahinga tayo, talagang mag-rest tayo doon sa love ng ating Panginoong Diyos, yung unconditional love na binibigay niya sa atin. And application number 3, extend the same unconditional love to others. Sabi naman po dito na i-extend, ipaalam natin, ipalawak natin yung binibigay na unconditional love ng ating Panginoong Diyos sa ibang mga hindi kala nila hindi sila kamahal-mahal, pero kamahal-mahal sila ng ating Panginoong Diyos. And ayun lang po ngayong araw. Maraming salamat. God bless.